Greetings, Jesse Vaughn Sr., stationary earth scientist, back with a little more food for thought. Okay, let's talk about the inverse square law of light. The same scientists who agree upon this being a law are the same scientists who will, with a straight face, have you believe that you're seeing light reflected infinitely far across the reaches of space from our sun back to us. That would be like taking a mirror and shining a light from one mirror to a second mirror, to a third mirror, to a fourth mirror, over miles and miles and miles. It would not work. And I'll tell you why. Because this little inverse square law of light. This is a law. You can't get away from it. You get the same results every time, no matter what you do. This is the state of the address for light. All right? Light cannot travel infinitely far. You would not be able to see light shining from our sun all the way across the reaches of space, shining onto Mars and Jupiter and bouncing off of them and coming back to us where we can still see them lit up millions of miles away. That would be infriggin' possible. And this is why. The inverse square law of light says, the law states that the intensity of light from a given source varies inversely with the square of the distance of the source. In short, as the distance increases, the intensity of the light from the source decreases. Inverse square law of light. Light does not travel infinitely far, so stop believing that shit that the scientists be telling you. If it ain't a law, if it's a theory, it's still a theory for a reason, because it's just a theory and there is no corroborating evidence whatsoever to back it up. No empirical evidence whatsoever. Things like gravity, theory. Alright, evolution, theory. In fact, there's a whole shitload of evidence against that stuff. Alright? The lack of evidence for it is the most damning evidence against it. So, y'all chew on that. Let me know what you think.